Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Hyundai Bayon. First of all, we get our phone. Oh, it's a bit dark, I wonder why that is. There we go. And then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. We go over to the system, we go to setup, phone connection's here, Bluetooth system, phone connection. It's only showing John's phone, so we add new, and then we wait till Hyundai Motors comes here. Click on Hyundai Motors. Bluetooth pairing request, passkey 010619 pair. Barry's iPhone. There you go, it's lit up, and you'll see request down, Barry's iPhone 15, hands-free and Bluetooth audio connected, request download, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. That's it connected.